What's going on, everyone? It's been a couple weeks since a VR related news video, so there's a lot to cover in this video. As there will be multiple stories covered, if you're not interested in a story, you can navigate to the next story using the chapters function below. If you find this video helpful or you enjoy VR related content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It's completely free and it will boost my motivation to keep improving while you learn or find entertainment. I think it's a good trade. Well, with that being said, let's dive into the video. On May 23rd, SideQuest, our favorite sideloader app for Oculus, had its third birthday and have lots to celebrate. They achieved 2.2 million monthly active users at the end of 2021, compared to about a little over 1 million active users just about a year ago. They are planning to release their biggest update ever, which will make it easier than ever for users to supercharge their MetaQuest 2 VR headset. If you have yet to download SideQuest, watch my video here to install SideQuest with ease in 2022. Currently, SideQuest is hosting a massive giveaway to include total prizes worth up to $20,000. So head over to the link in the description to check it out. I am not sponsored by SideQuest. Painting VR first launched over a year ago on the Quest Store and on Steam for PSVR and had its minor update to add in game tutorials to run through the basics of painting techniques. They've also added expo mode, which lets you go through your portfolio of paintings and allow you to hang them up on a wall. The anticipated multiplayer support is still on its way to paint in VR with friends and also give them a tour around your exhibit space. Painting VR is available now for $19.99 on the Quest 2 and the PSVR via Steam. Next is a game I'm personally kind of excited for. The game is First Person Tennis, and it's a tennis simulator game. These simulator style games of sports on MetaQuest 2 are really good in my opinion, and as long as the physics are really good, it should be another good game to play. It will obviously have a single player mode, but it will also have multiplayer to include 4-person play for 2-on-2 doubles game. The game will be released on June 2nd, and the game will be 20% off until June 10th. I'll put the link to the game down below in the description. Next one is related to Apple's new VR headset software, Reality OS. Apple's Reality OS appeared in a trademark filing with a deadline of 2 days after WWDC, which is Apple's yearly developer conference. So what does this mean? Since WWDC is coming up in a week for me, or on June 6th, it is looking more promising that Apple will finally reveal the new VR headset at WWDC, or at least the Reality OS software. Last but definitely not the least is related to Sony's VR headset, PSVR. A post on PlayStation blog confirms a sneak peek of upcoming PSVR2 games. The post doesn't say anything about the hardware or the VR headset itself, but the live stream will be hosted to showcase this new sneak peek. We'll also have announcements and updates, so we'll have to wait and see if they say anything about the hardware. If you want to watch the live stream when it airs on June 2nd, I'll have a link in the description. I plan to make a separate video dedicated to the PSVR, but very quickly, these are the things as we know as of today. The design is what you see on the screen now that looks like a slimmer, cooler looking version of the MetaQuest 2. For the release date, there is no confirmed date as of today, but it's looking like it'll most likely be in the first quarter of 2023, as long as there are no delays. Minchi Ko, mostly known for releasing Apple-related leaks, he posted a tweet that states that PSVR will start mass production with about 1.5 million units for release in the first quarter of 2023. As for the specs, it is confirmed to have OLED display with total resolution of 4000 by 2040 pixels, which is 2000 by 2040 per eye, and has a 110-degree field of view, which is a little wider than the MetaQuest 2, just for comparison. It will also include eye tracking for improved VR experience, and it will run on the PlayStation 5 via a single wire. At this point in time, the price has not been announced. The first generation of PSVR cost $399, which I could see Sony following a similar price point, or due to the advanced technology inside the headset, I could see something up to $499. Alright, well, that's it for the news. Did you guys learn something new? If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I would love to hear opinions on what I should cover for later videos. I can make a video on anything VR related, so please let me know. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Again.